Welcome back to the class. Today we're going to be covering accounting. In any successful business, you need to understand the basic concepts and practices with regards to accounting and finance. You do not have to be a genius to get your head around some of these principles or formulas. Sometimes they could be regarded as complex, or there might be big words, but for the sake of it, it's really worth getting your head around what we're going to go over, because this is going to be so valuable to you in and out of your business. So by all means, go ahead and chat with your parents and ask them if they understand some of these, and you might even be able to help them out. Covering some of these basic finance concepts or accounting concepts will really benefit you. This class will certainly raise your awareness on the areas that we're going to go over. So it's worth getting a pen and paper to make some notes here. If you choose to run your own business, you're choosing to earn your own money or generate your own money instead of working for somebody else and making them money. You need to grasp this, because if you get it wrong, you could really run short of cash in your business, which won't allow you to do anything the day after, and certainly won't allow you to pay yourself anything. It's very to the point, I know, but we need to understand the cash flow of money coming in and money going out, because if it's the wrong way round, you don't have a business. Let's not forget, to make money, you need to have a plan and work out how you're going to do it. And now we're going to go over some of these points. Within the resources section, you will be able to locate the lemonade stand finance sheet. This is an Excel sheet which we will be going through. First, you'll see the expenses that are totaled up or listed and totaled up, and below that you'll have the income section with some calculations towards the bottom. I would recommend for the time being you only edit the green cells, don't edit the other cells. You need to understand what money is coming in and what money is going out, and what is happening to that at each stage. To do this, we need to be making sure that all of these values are documented, either on paper or within Excel on your computer. Step one really is to make you aware that we need to keep good records of all of your expenses and income. First of all, let's just look at income and expenses. Under the expenses, you're going to need to make a note or a list of all of the items that you're purchasing or have purchased. Under the income section, you're going to be listing all of the details of money coming into your business from services, advisory that you're charging your clients. Ultimately, the simple formula for these lists that you're generating is the income minus the expenses allows you to determine whether you're making money or you're losing money. If your calculations show that your expenses are greater than the money you're coming in, we need to review it. It's okay to get it wrong, okay? There's no problem with having a loss, first of all, because ultimately it's a massive learning point, and we need to go back over these numbers to work out where we need to reduce the expenses that you've got currently or increase the cost that you're putting out to your clients. And hopefully this would then increase your income. Whatever the results or the outcome following your first test period or your first sales figures, you need to remember what lessons that you've learned from this experience or from this trading period. Don't take it to heart, or don't get disheartened or disappointed with the results, okay? Because this is a massive learning phase. You're going to learn so much stuff, from here moving forward in your business and in life. So just take it on the chin and crack on with it, all right? If your results come in as a profit for your sales period, then that's fantastic. That's really good. Well done for doing that. Everything, with regards to how you've been planning it and getting the results you wanted. All right. Let's not get too excited though. We've got more to do and more to sell. So hopefully it will continue this way going forward. If, on the other hand, your sales figures, provide a result of a loss or a negative value, then, we've got some things to check over. We need to go over the reports that you've been keeping with regards to everything you've been buying and what you've been selling. And then we need to review it in a bit more detail. And we need to use this to be able to see where we can make adjustments and what needs to be changed. Again, this is a huge learning curve, all right? So no one gets it right first time, or not everybody at least. And then we need to go over these figures and check out what changes need to be made, all right? There's a lot to be learned, so don't worry about it. You might not get it right every time, so we can change it, so don't worry. Whenever you're buying stuff, okay, when you're going out talking to people face to face or over the telephone or over email, all right, you need to remember they're running a business as well. They can't give you it for nothing, and a profit for everyone is a much better environment to be around, all right. And they're certainly not going to be listening to you if you're trying to buy every penny or cent from their pocket. How do you negotiate for a better price? All you have to do is ask for a better price. All right. You can break it down as much as you like and talk around what it is you're trying to get at, but just be upfront, honest, straight and to the point. Don't dither around. Just ask them. Once they've given you a price, there's no worries to ask if they can better or improve that price. The worst they can say is no. All right, and at the end of it, you might get a better price, which is better for your margins. The worst they can say is no, and if they say no now, you could always ask it the next time. Head over to the resources section. There is an attachment in there for you for this video, and hopefully you can update it as and when you need to for your figures, and hopefully this will put you in a better position to get a better idea of all of your sales figures and what income you're getting, and allow you to move your business forward. And see you at the next video.